Hello. So today we're talking about slope. Now slope, I'm sure you've seen many times before now, 7th and possibly a little bit in 6th grade. Slope's always rise over run, which is the same thing as change in y over the change in x. Or we can do it by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where those will be your coordinates. So let's go through some examples real quick. So here, we have the problem. Find the slope of the line that passes through 0, -5, and 5, 0. So for this one, I've gone ahead and drawn a picture to try to help us out. So for the line 0, -5, we're going to go down 5 on the y-axis. For the point 5, 0, we're going to go 5 across on the x-axis. So right here, our line is this right here. Sorry if it's not quite straight, it's hard to see from the side. But, so that's going to be our line. So we're trying to figure out the rise over the run. So we know that it's going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, and go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. So our rise over run would be 5 over 5, which we know will end up equaling 1. So the slope of this line is just 1. So let's take a look now at another problem. So here, for this problem, it says, find the slope of the line that passes through the points -2, -2, and 4, 1. So remember, we have this formula right here, which was on the first whiteboard. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where these represent our points. So right here we have x1, y1, x2, and y2. So we can go ahead and do subtraction. 1 minus -2, which will end up being 1 plus 2, which will be 3. 4 minus -2, which will be 4 plus 2, which will be 6. 3, 6 simplifies down to just 1/2. So this slope right here is just 1/2. Now you may notice that 1/2 and 1 from the last one are both our positive slopes. So, I want to draw you a picture real quick. If we have a positive slope, as you remember just from that second board, the positive slope is going to look like that. It's going to be going upwards of that angle. We can also have a negative slope, which will be coming down at an angle like this, or like that, but still is going to be a negative. But what happens when you have a horizontal slope? So you have the run, but no rise. Well, it actually is going to end up being just 0. So if you have run with no rise, your slope is 0. But what happens if it's the opposite of that? Let's say you have a vertical line. A vertical line means you have rise, but no run. In this instance, our slope would be over 0, which makes it undefined. We cannot define something that's over as 0 in the denominator. So for a slope of a vertical line, it will always be undefined. Alright? Hope this helps.